Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video, and if you don't know, my name is James and I run ACaterhamCalledFern. This is the beginning of the Fish and Chip Run 2024 and I'm going to show you lots and lots of Caterhams at the start. If you took part in the event, I'm sure you will see your Caterham in this video or definitely in the next one. I would first like to say a big thank you to Purple Meanie who has let me use some of his drone footage. I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel in the description below. This is the start of the Fish and Chip Run at Hanley Farm Shop in Chepstow. If you don't know what the Fish and Chip Run is, well, it's a great event run by the Taffia group of the Caterham and Lotus 7 Club. We drive from Chepstow to Aberdyfi on some great Welsh roads. It's a yearly event which gets bigger and better each year. You have to be a member of the club, you need to be in a Caterham, and we pay a signing on fee which goes to the club's charity. I think my favourite part of the run is probably the start, talking to old and new friends. It was also really nice having people come up to me saying thanks for making the videos, and Fern also seemed to get a fair bit of attention. I guess she is a famous Caterham and she does stick out even in a massive group of Caterhams. It's great to hear that my videos are helping other owners and people are also enjoying them. I also really like stopping along the route to watch and film other Caterhams going by with some great scenery. It's definitely not a race to get to the end, the fish and chips won't run out, and it's nice stopping en route to have chats with other owners. If you are thinking about buying a Caterham, you'll see lots of colours and liveries here. It always amazes me that even though the Caterham shape hasn't changed, you don't see two that are the same. Caterhams are so personal, and here is a great place to see little mods and clever things that owners have done to their cars. I do really like this new starting location as it's a great space to have all of the cars together, and a bigger space is needed because the event is getting bigger and better each year. I would like to say a big thank you to everyone involved in making this event happen. I'm sure it takes a lot more time and effort than we all realise. Look at all of the different colours of Caterhams here. It really is an amazing sight. It's normally pretty rare to see a Caterham on its own, let alone all of these Caterhams together like this. I wonder what the locals think when we turn up each year. Hopefully all good things, I'm sure they do. We do get lots of waves on the run as well. Everyone likes to see a Caterham, right? There were a lot of cars that stood out to me, which I thought looked great, but there was a load of cars from the Kent 7s who seemed like a really fun bunch. As you can see, they had some stickers made for the Fish and Chip Run this year, and they also had some stickers for fun on their cars as well. Quite a few of these made me laugh, and I'm sure you will agree. I've met a few from this group now, and I'm going to definitely have to go on a drive with them at some point for sure. It's great to see active groups doing lots of trips together. They also stayed another night like we did, and I think we must have driven at least some of the same roads on the Sunday from looking at their pictures. Is your Caterham here? Or if not, which Caterham is your favourite in this video? Please let me know in the comment section below. If you own a Caterham and you are a member of the club, you've got to do the Fish and Chip Run at least once, as it's a great event and you definitely won't regret it. Here are some more cars. I want to say a big thank you again to everyone involved in this event, plus all of the owners that turned up. It wouldn't be the same without everybody. I'd like to say a big thank you again to Purple Meanie who let me use some of his drone footage. I do really need to invest in a drone sometime for sure, as the drone footage looks great. Please subscribe to Purple Meanie and I will leave a link in the description below. He is building an electric Caterham, which, well, I'm really interested in seeing when it's finished. I will release more videos about this event soon, and here is a sneak preview of what happened on the day. It got rather wet. Look at this. There you go. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It makes a big difference to a small channel like mine. And don't forget, every stone chip tells a story, and I'll see you in the next one.
As you fade away.